ODeX empowers customers with effortless invoice tracking and seamless payment information updates. This user guide explains how to place a request for invoice instruction as it replaces the current pre-call and pre-arrival document submission. Enter your username and password at online.odexglobal.com. Customers can set instructions by clicking the BL dashboard. Customers can track shipments by BL number, container number, shipment number, vessel name, voyage number or invoice number using the search option. Click on the BL number to proceed to the invoice instruction page. The icon next to the BL number provides more information about the BL. Click on the Instruct icon to proceed with the request for invoice instruction. Select Invoice Instruction option from the drop-down, which will redirect customers to the necessary interface for mapping invoice instruction. The customer must fill in all the mandatory fields highlighted with an asterisk, such as VAT ID, customer code, company name, email address, and address, and then click on Submit. Note: VAT ID and customer code is mandatory, and if you enter the VAT ID, all the other details will get auto-populated on ODeX. Once the request is successfully placed, a pop-up will appear on the screen against the BL number. Additionally, monitoring your events becomes effortless with the instruction dashboard accessible through the toggle navigation feature. Under the instruction dashboard, you will be able to view all the instructions submitted on ODeX with the status and the latest timestamp of the event. This brings us to the end of the process. Simplify and streamline global shipping. Start your ODeX journey now.